Discovering that your husband has been unfaithful can bring about intense emotions like anger, grief, and confusion. During this tough time, turning to your faith in God and seeking support from loved ones can help you cope. Give yourself permission to feel your emotions and ask God to guide you through the process. Avoid digging for unnecessary details about the affair and focus on what information will be helpful for moving forward. Understand that the affair was not your fault and express your feelings to your husband while also seeking support from others. It's important to be patient with yourself, as healing takes time. You might consider journaling to process your emotions. Remember to rely on God's grace and seek spiritual guidance as you navigate through this difficult experience.